Welcome to our guide on the top 10 things to do in Dubai. I'm sure you've heard the news. Welcome to Dubai, a city of wonders, Dubai. The name itself evokes images of towering skyscrapers, bustling markets, and luxurious experiences. But beyond its shiny exterior lies a world of adventure. Imagine a city rising from the heart of the Arabian desert. That's Dubai. This city is a testament to human ingenuity. I don't think people understand the true thrill of the Arabian desert. The Arabian desert, a vast ocean of sand, beckons with its raw beauty and wild spirit. Here you can experience the thrill of a desert safari, an adventure that will leave you breathless. Imagine yourself in a 4x4 vehicle, climbing up and down towering sand dunes. The vehicle bounces and sways, like a boat battling a stormy sea. This is dune bashing, and it's not for the faint of heart. But the desert offers more than just adrenaline-pumping rides. Take a camel ride across the golden sands, feeling the gentle sway of these majestic creatures. It's a journey back in time, a chance to connect with the nomadic soul of the desert. And for those seeking an extra dose of excitement, try sandboarding down the dunes. Imagine yourself strapped to a board, gliding down the slopes, the wind whipping through your hair. It's like snowboarding, but with a desert twist. I bet you didn't know you could experience Dubai from a falcon's perspective. In Dubai, the dream becomes a reality with a skydiving adventure over Palm Jumeirah. Imagine the ground rushing towards you as you leap from the plane, the wind screaming in your ears. But then, you open your parachute and a sense of tranquility washes over you. You're floating, soaring through the air, with an unparalleled view of Dubai's iconic skyline. Palm Jumeirah, a man-made archipelago shaped like a palm tree, is a sight to behold from above. Its fronds, lined with luxurious villas and sparkling beaches, stretch out before you like a work of art. You can spot the Burj Al Arab, the sail-shaped hotel rising in the distance. The world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, pierces the sky, a testament to human ambition. This is Dubai from a perspective that few get to experience, a moment you'll never forget. What's something people don't know about Kite Beach in Dubai? The Dubai coastline is a haven for water sports enthusiasts, and Kite Beach is the epicenter of this aquatic playground. Here, the turquoise waters of the Arabian Gulf meet the golden sands, creating a vibrant and energetic atmosphere. Feel the adrenaline rush as you hop on a jet ski and zoom across the waves, the wind and spray in your face. It's an exhilarating experience, like riding a powerful water motorcycle. Kite Beach, as its name suggests, is a prime destination for kite surfing. Watch in awe as colorful kites dance across the sky, pulling their riders across the waves. It's a mesmerizing spectacle, a ballet of wind, water, and human skill. If you prefer a more relaxed pace, try stand-up paddleboarding. Stand tall on your board, paddle in hand, and glide peacefully across the water. It's a great way to soak up the sun and enjoy the stunning views of the Dubai skyline. Section 5. Finding Serenity in Hatta's Mountains. I bet you didn't know you could find such tranquility in Dubai. Escape the city buzz and venture into the Hatta Mountains. This mountainous enclave offers a stark contrast to Dubai. Trade skyscrapers for towering peaks and hiking trails. Picture yourself surrounded by rocky outcrops and painted valleys. The air is fresh and clean, a welcome change. Hiking trails cater to all levels. Lace up your boots and embark on a scenic journey. Discover natural pools perfect for a refreshing dip. Hatta is a reminder of nature's tranquility. Section 5. Embracing the desert night. Are you ready to experience the magic of the desert night? As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the dunes, the desert comes alive with a magical glow. The stars, usually hidden by the city's bright lights, twinkle brilliantly in the ink-black sky. This is the perfect time to experience the desert at its most enchanting. Join a desert safari that includes a traditional Bedouin dinner under the stars. Imagine yourself seated on colorful cushions around a low table, the aroma of grilled meats and sweets filling the air. As you savor the delicious food, you'll be treated to traditional music and dance performances. The beat of the drums and the graceful movements of the dancers will transport you to another world. After dinner, relax by the bonfire, sharing stories and gazing up at the vast night sky. The desert night is a time for reflection, for connecting with nature and with each other. Section 6. Golfing under the desert sun. I bet you didn't know Dubai boasts some of the most impressive golf courses in the world. Imagine teeing off on a lush green fairway surrounded by towering palm trees and shimmering lakes. The sun is shining, the air is warm, and the only sound is the gentle hum of golf carts. Dubai's golf courses offer a unique challenge. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual player, Dubai has a course for your skill level. Many courses blend seamlessly into the desert landscape, creating a stunning backdrop. After your round, relax at the clubhouse and enjoy refreshments with a view. Golfing in Dubai is a chance to experience luxury while enjoying your favorite pastime. This is why you need to experience cycling through Dubai's heart. Dubai may be known for its fast cars and luxurious lifestyle, but there's a growing cycling culture waiting to be explored. Hop on a bike and discover a different side to this vibrant city. Cycle along the Dubai Water Canal, a man-made waterway that snakes through the heart of the city. The canal is flanked by parks, cafes, and stunning views of Dubai's landmarks. Feel the wind in your hair as you pedal past traditional Abras and modern yachts, a testament to Dubai's unique blend of old and new. For a more adventurous ride, head to the desert and explore the dedicated cycling tracks. These trails offer a challenging but rewarding experience, with stunning views of the dunes and the chance to spot local wildlife. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just looking for a fun way to explore the city, Dubai offers a cycling adventure for everyone. I bet you didn't know that Dubai offers some of the best kayaking adventures. Section 9, Kayaking Adventures await. The Dubai coastline is dotted with hidden coves, mangrove forests, and tranquil waterways, just waiting to be explored by kayak. Grab a paddle and embark on an aquatic adventure, gliding through the calm waters and discovering hidden gems. Paddle through the mangroves of Dubai Creek, a historic waterway that cuts through the heart of the city. These lush green forests are home to a variety of birds, crabs, and fish, offering a glimpse into Dubai's natural ecosystem. For a more challenging experience, head to the open waters of the Arabian Gulf and kayak around the iconic Burj Al Arab. Paddle at your own pace, enjoying the stunning views of this sail-shaped hotel and the Dubai skyline. Kayaking in Dubai is a unique and unforgettable way to experience the city from a different perspective. Section 10. A world of outdoor delights. I don't think people understand the vast array of outdoor adventures Dubai has to offer. The city is home to a wide array of parks, gardens, and recreational areas that offer something for everyone. Visit the Dubai Miracle Garden, a floral paradise with over 150 million flowers arranged in stunning displays. Stroll through the Dubai Butterfly Garden, home to thousands of butterflies from around the world. Or escape the heat at Ski Dubai, an indoor ski resort where you can hit the slopes year-round. Dubai's commitment to providing world-class outdoor experiences is evident in its many parks and green spaces. These urban oases offer a respite from the hustle and bustle of the city, providing a place to relax, exercise, and connect with nature. Whether you're looking for a leisurely stroll, a challenging workout, or simply a change of scenery, Dubai's outdoor spaces have something to offer. Exposing the best outdoor adventures in Dubai. Dubai is a city that constantly pushes the boundaries of what's possible, and its outdoor adventures are no exception. From the thrills of dune bashing and skydiving to the tranquil beauty of the Hatta mountains and the serenity of kayaking through mangroves, Dubai offers an outdoor experience like no other. So pack your bags, embrace your adventurous spirit, and get ready to create unforgettable memories in this city of wonders. Your Dubai adventure begins now.